AR3 was dropped. Let's see how much it roughly costs to repair it. Remove this windproof glue. The cables and signal wires here are all broken at the root. Check if the cable base is damaged. Luckily, the core board's base is intact. The main issue is the gimbal part, and one is this lower bracket which is broken. Also, the signal wire is cut. The gimbal mounting plate is damaged, but this should be easy to fix. All parts have been replaced, and the device has been assembled and tested. Okay, the gimbal dictionary is functioning normally, then just reinstall the small recommendation and it's good to go. Okay, the last step is to install the bottom cover. Done, perfectly resolved.